I mean, the basics of it is it comes down to the fact that that financial relationship you have with your bank or your credit union is not just on a payday.
Do you see the states moving quickly? Do you see some states moving more quickly than others?
I don't know if it's a state by state.
I mean, from a regulatory standpoint, there certainly are some states that are more pro, like Wyoming and others.
Right.
New York obviously has a very defined regulatory regime. So, yeah, I'd say the states have moved faster than federal, but at some point they're going to get aligned.
Right.
And we'll see some opportunities there. One thing we are seeing a bit of a shift in our clients is not just as much interest in a pure digital asset offering, but more a self-directed investing option. So instead of just offering, say, Bitcoin and Ethereum or some other sorts of digital assets, is going out and having a solution much like a Robinhood type solution where they can go out, their customers can go out and buy equities, they can buy bonds, they can buy digital assets, and ultimately they can buy tokenized assets. And we think that's where the future is kind of that combination of traditional assets with digital assets and the banks kind of servicing that.
But
You just made a bunch of centralized finance people not so happy.
but the basics of it is it comes down to the fact that that financial relationship you have with your bank or your credit union is not just on a payday. There's a Sunday afternoon when I'm watching a basketball game and there's an ad for a QQQ fund, and I jump on my app and I open it and I put $50 in it, and I'm doing that on a Sunday afternoon. Or I owe you $5 for coffee this morning.
Yep.
How do you want it? Cash App, through our bank, through our, there's a lot of ways. And so financial institutions have to really start understanding you are not just your checking account, savings account. You are all these other times of days, 24 hours, 365, where finances are being exchanged. And that's commercially, that's retail, that's all these different areas, and they need to be more part of that conversation.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We had a great time here at Consensus. At the Texas Blockchain Council, we are striving to be the nexus between traditional industries, banking, finance, legal, energy, and the digital asset industry. So we want to help you get your brand in front of those kinds of companies with B2B opportunities. Reach out to us if that's of interest for membership or for sponsorship at the summit. Hope to see you there in November in Fort Worth. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you at the summit.